Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.